Hello students, myself Dr. Nidhi Punia, lecturer, Civil Engineering Department of Government Ramchandra Khaitan Polytechnic College, जयपुर। आज जो हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है दैट इज कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल एंड इक्विपमेंट CE 209 का यूनिट 3 टाइल्स पार्ट 1। इसमें जो हम आज पढ़ेंगे दैट इज यूजेस ऑफ टाइल एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ टाइल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द यूज एंड शेप और कुछ स्पेशल टाइल्स लाइक अलाहाबाद टाइल्स एंड मैंगलोर टाइल्स। Tiles. The tiles are defined as the thin slabs of brick which are burnt in the kiln. ये बेसिकली थिनर देन ब्रिक्स होती हैं, इसीलिए इनको केयरफुली हैंडल करना होता है ताकि कोई टूट वूट नहीं जाए ये। द टाइल्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इन द फॉलोइंग टू ग्रुप्स, कॉमन टाइल्स एंड एनकॉस्टिक टाइल्स। कॉमन टाइल्स है दे हैव डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड साइजेस, दे आर मेनली यूज्ड फॉर पेविंग, फ्लोरिंग एंड रूफिंग. Encaustic tiles are used for decorative purposes in floors, walls, ceilings and roof. Characteristics of good tiles. ना अब कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं गुड टाइल्स के, जैसे कि एक यूनिफॉर्म कलर की होने चाहिए, दे शुड बी प्रॉपरली बर्न्ड, दे शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम क्रैक्स, एनी फ्लॉज और बेंड्स, दे शुड बी हार्ड एंड ड्यूरेबल, प्रॉपर शेप एंड साइज के होने चाहिए, दे शुड हैव एन इवन एंड कॉम्पैक्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड दे शुड प्रोड्यूस अ क्लियर रिंगिंग साउंड व्हेन स्ट्रक विद ईच अदर. अब टाइप ऑफ टाइल्स, the floor tiles, wall tiles, roofing tiles, drain tiles and earthenware. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं अपन clay floor tiles. As the name signifies, these tiles are used for flooring in the building. These tiles are flat in shape, rectangular हो सकता है, square हो सकता है, any other geometrical outline. They come in different dimensions. Most common being 20 by 20 into 2 centimeter, 15 by 15 into 1.8 centimeter and 22.5 into 22.5 into 2.2 centimeters. अब उनकी क्या क्वालिटीज़ हैं फ्लोरिंग टाइल्स की? दे आर हार्ड टू रेजिस्ट वेयर, स्ट्रॉन्ग टू रेजिस्ट लोड्स, वेल बर्न, दे गिव रिंगिंग साउंड वाइल स्टक विद ईच अदर, no visible foreign materials like pebbles, grit, lime or other fragments of surface or sides. Dimensional specification with tolerance of plus minus 3 mm for length and width की plan plus minus 1.5 mm for thickness. They should have a uniform texture throughout the body. Roofing tiles. They are used as alternatives to corrugated and plain galvanized iron sheets and timber as roofing material for building construction, especially जहाँ पे slope provide कराई जाती है roofs में. Their qualities are they are absolutely leak proof, they are very durable, they are easy to fix on the roof and they have a less maintenance cost. अब कितनी टाइप्स की रूफिंग टाइल्स होती हैं? पॉट टाइल्स, फ्लैट टाइल्स, अलाहाबाद टाइल्स, मैंगलोर टाइल्स एंड कोरुगेटेड टाइल्स. पॉट टाइल्स. It is ordinary but the common class of roofing tiles. The individual tile जो होती है वो सेमी सर्कुलर इन आउटलाइन होती है and they have a tapering diameter 15 centimeter at one end and 10 centimeter at the other end. जो लेंथ होती है ऑफ सच टाइल्स इट इज़ 20 to 25 centimeters और जो थिकनेस होती है इट इज़ 1.5 to 2 centimeters. They come in width of 20 to 25 centimeters. They are molded by potter, hand molded and hence not very dense or strong. They often have high absorption values and hence can suffer greater wear and tear. जो pan tiles they differ from pot tiles in that way that they are first made as tiles and the curvature is given while the clay is in green stage और जब वो थोड़ी सी गीली होती है. They are generally used in rural areas. ये देख सकते हैं आप फ्लैट टाइल्स. They are almost rectangular in shape, uniform in size and shape. They shall be free from distortion such as bends, twist and crack. Minimum compressive strength इनकी 75 kg per centimeter square होती है and maximum absorption value is 20%. They are used alone or in combination with pot tiles for roofing in common buildings. Allahabad tiles. They are a better class of roofing tiles. They are generally made from superior quality of clays and by machine pressing. The essential part of this tile is a flat tile provided with the interlocking arrangement at the sides. The flat tiles tapering dimension with bigger end 30 centimeter and smaller end 25 centimeter. इसकी जो width length is 40 centimeter. Flat tiles are laid side by side and joints between the adjacent tiles are covered with the half-round pot tiles which overlap each other. This results in the appealing roofing pattern. Mangalore tiles. They form a very popular class of roofing tiles in southern and western part of our country. Mangalore tiles उनको इसलिए बोला जाता है due to the early manufacture in Mangalore, South India. The important feature is built-in interlocking arrangements at the sides. They provides better roof, simple construction at economical cost. कुछ important characteristics हैं. सबसे पहला है shape of nibs. They are free from twist, bends, lamination, cracks and blisters. At least 2 nibs, each with base width not less than 19 mm and projecting above the surface not less than 10 mm. Dimensions of the width. Dimensions and weight. इसका जो डायमेंशंस हैं वो होती हैं 410 इंटू 235 mm, 420 इंटू 250 mm, 425 इंटू 260 mm. जो weight of 6 tiles dried at 105 degree Celsius plus minus 5 degree Celsius, they should not be less than 2 kg and not more than 3 kg. Corrugated tiles. They are similar to the flat tiles in making except the surface are contoured during the molding stage in this way. These tiles resemble the corrugated galvanized iron sheets. The size is 14 to 35 centimeter. When used over the roof, a side lap of 1 or 2 corrugations is formed which gives the pleasing appearance. They have an additional advantage of quicker drainage of rainwater. Now, drain tiles. These tiles which are manufactured from clay for special purpose of lining of drains are called as drain tiles. They are circular or semicircular in shape. Their size is determined by the exact purpose for which they have to be used, like irrigation drains or in domestic drains. Encaustic tiles. The encaustic tiles अपन ने बात करी थी. They are manufactured from carefully prepared ordinary clays. इसमें coloring materials डालते हैं and sometimes with finer clays. Depending upon the coloring pigment added in the clays, these tiles obtain the desired print and color after manufacturing. They have 3 layers. Body, it is made of coarser clay. Face, it comprises of 6 mm coat of finer clay and the coloring matter for making the ground of the pattern. And back, it is a thin coat of clay to prevent the tile from warping. जो manufacturing process of these tiles का, the face is molded to the desired pattern. जो coarser clay body, it is put on the back of the face and also a thin coat to form the back. The maker's name is stamped on the back. A few holes are kept for joining with cement during laying. The clays with different colors is poured into the different portions of the pattern so as to obtain the desired design of colors. When the green tiles becomes dry enough for handling, the excess earth is removed or scraped off. The green tiles are then trimmed, dressed, dried and burnt in the dome kiln. If required, the burnt tiles may be glazed by dipping them into a mixture of powdered glass and water and then reheating them. यहाँ पे जो ग्रीन टाइल्स की बात हो रही है, दे आर बेसिकली जो टाइल्स वेट होती हैं उनको ग्रीन टाइल्स बोला गया है. थैंक यू.